Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skillful Stenography English Shorthand Dictations. You are requested to please like and subscribe for more clear sound English Shorthand Dictations. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 133. Start. The majority of us agree in the matter of recognizing and admitting that the cheerfulness of others has often been instrumental in helping and comforting us in trying circumstances. Full stop. Some people seem to think that cheerfulness is the result of thoughtlessness, but fortunately these individuals are in the minority. Full stop. New para. To our way of thinking, cheerfulness is generally the result of thoughtfulness and kindly feelings of friendship. Full stop. Bearing in mind our thankfulness for cheerful and friendly words in time of trouble, we should persistently strive to avoid complaining or whining about hardships. Full stop. New para. The popularity of a cheerful personality, and the unpopularity of those individuals who carry with them an air of hopelessness and cheerlessness, is instructive. Full stop. But apart from helping others, we benefit ourselves from a psychological point of view, as it is a fact that health can be improved through a mental attitude of optimism and cheerfulness. Full stop.